What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your likes from the post that you have liked on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After typing, you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Click on this website and after clicking, you will see the three options to sign up with your LinkedIn. The first one is with Google, second one is with Microsoft, the third one is with signing in with your own email. But if you are new to LinkedIn, just click on join now and then enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your new LinkedIn account. Now, after you have logged in or signed into LinkedIn successfully, you will be welcomed to the homepage of LinkedIn. After coming to the homepage of LinkedIn, let's say you have liked this post, so it will appear like this in the dark blue color of like. This shows that you have liked this post. So if you want to unlike this post, again hover here to the like and then click it once and then it will unlike the post. So this is how you can remove like post on LinkedIn. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.